do I think I'm even going? Going to Mayuko's bar is not the best option. I think I overreacted towards my wife.
Darling. Sweetie.
Can you please stop? Can you stop touching me? Just leave me alone. Be on your own.
Darling, honestly, this is not a time to avoid me. Not now that we're in the mix of this issue.
Did you say issue? We are in this issue. No, I am not in the issue. You and your beloved daughter are the ones in the issue. When you, as head of the family, failed to use your divine given wisdom to take care of this family, all you get is issue in return.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about here?
You had the option and the power to prevent what happened today. But due to your foolery, you couldn't do anything to prevent this family from this monumental disgrace. I will never forgive you. Never! Excuse me.
Okay, please. I'm sorry. I said I am very, very sorry. See, I have been so ungrateful. Please. I allow frustration and anger take better part of me. You have been more than a wife to me. You have been so submissive despite all my rude behaviors towards you. Please, forgive me. Please.
It's okay. It's okay, Nkem. But you know I will never do anything without your consent. You know that.
I do.
You're a man. And as a man, you have pride. And I know that. All I need you to do is soft pedal and allow anyone that wants to help us to help us. We didn't ask these people for anything. They chose to help us. And God knows best. To surely get better. Okay?
I cannot just wait for things to get better for us. Because nothing gladdens a man's heart like being able to take care of his family.
It will surely get better.
Amen.
To surely get better.
Amen.
Now, I want you to know that I am going to stick with you through this entire storm. I'm not going anywhere.
Thank you.
And God will surely do it for us.
Amen.
I love you. I love you, Akabweze Ihanacho.
And I love you too, my wife. And I will always do.
I understand you are the parents of the deceased girl.
And who are you? We don't want to talk about her death anymore. It adds to our grief.
I know. I understand how you feel. And I'm so sorry to have come here to remind you of something you have possibly forgotten. Oibem, poor girl. I know you're pained to have lost your only child to a drunk driver. I'm so sorry about that.
Drunk?
Yes.
Did you say drunk?
Yes, he was drunk. I was there, I saw him, and was there when the incident happened. And I saw everything.
You saw what?
The man that knocked down your daughter, your child, was drunk and was driving recklessly.
What?
Oh.
But that was not what we were told by the people that was there.
Do you blame them? Humans are the same everywhere. They didn't want the matter to escalate further. So they decided to protect the young man, at least to reduce his prison term. But that was what happened. Now you know the truth. I want you to tell the police the same truth. At least to serve as a deterrent to other drunken drivers that are reckless. It is wrong for someone to drink and handle steering. You only go to the wheels when your eyes are clear. I know sometimes, even when you want justice, money is usually the problem. I will assist you financially. Yes. If not for anything, for your poor girl to have justice.
No.
I know. She's not happy. She wants justice. Mr. DPO, I am so privileged to have met you here. I went to your office earlier to see you, but you were not in the office. My name is Chief Mrs. Evelyn Madoka Elioso. I had wanted to see you based on that accident that happened earlier in the day. That young man that knocked that innocent girl to death.
You mean the young man that was brought to my office?
Yes.
Or that is now locked up in the station?
Of course.
It was a case of an accident, which can happen to anybody. The young man is still in our custody because we're waiting for him to provide a lawyer who can bear him so that he can go home and assist the child's parents in burying the body.
Incidentally, that wasn't what happened. I know our community is riddled with disgruntled elements that would like to come and tell lies and fabricate lies on things they don't know about.
I don't understand.
There was never an accident. Whatever that happened there was due to the boy's recklessness and drunkenness.
Did you say drunkenness?
Yes.
He was drunk?
He was drunk. I was there when the accident happened. I'm surprised that nobody told you the truth. That accident happened because this boy has never driven a bike before and he was drunk. So the accident happened due to recklessness and drunkenness.
That's interesting.
Yes. So I would want you to use your good office to make sure that boy serves a jail term, to serve as a deterrent to other people in that category that always drink and drive.
Well, can you put this in writing when you come to the office?
Mr. DPO, I'm a very good citizen. I will put it in writing. Clearly and boldly so that everyone can read it and know exactly what happened.
Then you have to come to the station immediately.
No problem, I will.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks for the
Thank you very
information.
much. Thank you.
All right.
I don't want to eat anything, Chidi. I told you that before.
Come on, sister, please. You've not eaten anything since yesterday. I insist.
I don't care about food. I don't know what is happening to Onyeka in that police station. I'm sure he has not eaten, so why should I eat?
Because you need all the strength in this world in order to save him. And how can you do this without eating?
Yes. I have to save him.
Yes.
I need to save him.
Yes, sister.
Yes.
So, can you just eat? Because you need the strength. How do you intend to do this on an empty stomach? Sister. Sister, please. Just a spoon. Sister.
Nah, which kind of nonsense be this one now? Huh? Why this guy go just dey do us like this?
You know how long ago we don't wait for here, they wait for this mogul. If na uptown now, we be say, if all this kind of thing they solve, we'll find somewhere, go to chill, they wait for them. You know, say this village people know they carry better I see us, I be there waiting. I beg, give me light, I beg.
Just carry me stand for
Which kind of nonsense? Nah, chill, I beg. We know they happy now. How you can't carry us keep for here? You know, as this village will take the look us.
Calm down. If I finally reason you why I'm late now, only you go back.
No, see.
One there. Ore. Confirm London gold.
Yeah, you come for.
Iba draw dokana. Iba draw one. Confirm Swiss original London gold.
I bet you hear word. Nobody see why about people carry the waka for this village. Why you don't this way they talk?
You be moved.
That's up boy so this will not be anything. Now no matter what about people they carry which one be.
I'm Bobby the Konya la.
Give an man
smart man.
Give an man check
Have you ever crossed the shoes of this village? How will you identify a real gold?
You know I mean you know how long we spend for Panya where they
Which Panya? Who carry you go Panya?
Imagine you.
I know say you don't go on
this guy they carry me.
Confirm where the gold now. You will don't reach at
check
this.
Don't be about people.
No, check him.
this is the original.
Okay na. Okay na. Nas one. One we go meet you now.
How much you want to hear this one now?
Baba see. As they see am like this now. Na confirm no be mentere.
I don't
Confirm
confirm.
you dey see am.
Wait.
On a better. Madam run me 20 ba.
Waiting.
20 ba. You don't say it pass like this now. But I won't just sell them like that. Based on saying a sharp deal.
It makes sense so.
Confirm am
Make
now.
I call person.
Make I see first. Show you the call person.
You don't see him now.
Wait.
You got to go.
You know say before I no look am well.
You know see.
I dey tell you. I no look am well.
Matters one very well.
Confirm
Confirm now.
Wait,
Wait, my hold on first before I go call buyer.
you self your matter to the entire person.
Baba, I don't understand.
Hello?
Why I get this thing?
Hello. Hello, DPO. Sir, it's me, Chief Mrs. Evelyn Marcaliozo. Yes. Yes, it's about our last discussion the last time I ran into you. Yes, I was expecting by now the young man should have been charged to court. Sir? Sorry about what? Why DPO? Hello? What happened?
Organize. Monachi. Chizaram. Why are people not eating your food?
We are not hungry.
I don't believe you.
Mama, when are we going to resume school? Our mates have resumed school already.
Is that why you're not eating your food?
Yes, Mama.
You will go to school.
Okay, Mama.
Now eat your food.
Okay,
Oh?
Mama.
We have decided not to make any court case with that young man.
So it's true. Huh? It's true.
Right now, we want to focus on mourning our only daughter. I mean my beloved daughter. Praying to God to give us another that will wipe our tears away.
Exactly.
Really? So I came here to waste my time, isn't it? Your poor child deserves justice. The poor girl deserves justice. You cannot just keep quiet as if nothing happened. That young man killed your daughter intentionally.
Maybe we've decided to leave everything to God. Even if we get justice, will he bring her back?
I've never seen parents as daft as you two.
Excuse me, woman. You don't come to my house to insult me. By the way, that young man in question, do you know him?
How is this question relevant to our discussion? Is that what I came here to discuss with you?
It is obvious. You really know this young man, personal. And maybe have an issue with him that I don't wish to know. But please, don't use my daughter's death to start up your revenge mission.
What?
Yes.
Okay, are you okay? Are you alright? Do you still have sense in your head? Are you alright?
It is you that is not alright. Do we know in the first place? In case you don't know, we asked further and all the eyewitnesses say the same thing except you. So, we can't give you what you want. So get out.
Fine. I want my money back. Every penny I have given you. Because I remember you saying that you use the money to pursue this matter to a reasonable extent. So give me back my money.
Oh.
Everything.
Oh. You want your money back?
Of course.
Ngwano, wait for me. I will give you your money or your debts.
You want to know the type of person my husband is, right? Won't you go now before he comes out? Okay.
Leave this place! Come and take your money. If I should lose my daughter, I will even add you.
What is it? Oh, you know you can talk to me. What's the matter with you?
He's your brother.
My brother? What happened to him? What happened to Onyeka? Mama, what happened to Onyeka? Talk to me, Mama. Mama, talk to me now. What happened to Onyeka? Onyeka! Onyeka!
Sister, I just told you Amobi stole your gold wristwatch.
I don't care. Let him have it.
What?
I mean, I have more important things disturbing me, like how to bail my man from the police custody, rather than worrying over some piece of gold wristwatch. I don't care.
Well, I am sorry I brought this to your notice.
It's okay, Chidi. I don't mean it like that. I'm happy you told me, but if the wristwatch will make Amobi happy and less annoying, let him have it. Okay?
Okay. Obviously, you are the wrong person to bring this case to. I know who to take it to. Just take care of yourself.
Mama, what is keeping you? Come now, we need to get to the police station. I have to see the officer in charge before he leaves. What are you still doing?
Let's go, eh? But my problem is, I don't know if they will allow us to see him. Because last time I went there, they refused me of seeing him.
Not when I'm around. After seeing me with this copper uniform, it's not possible. I will show them he has a sister. Let's go.
You're back.
Yes! Oh my God! Oh, I'm happy. Thank God. I'm very well.
You have graduated.
Yes,
Finally. You've graduated.
Yes, I'm
Look at you! You look good in your uniform.
Yes.
Thank you.
Kopashon.
Oh yeah. Thank you so much, Oledo. Thank you, Wanyoma. Thank you for saving my brother. My mother wouldn't have survived if anything had happened to him.
Well, all thanks to God because he took care of the situation. I mean, it could have been worse if the parents of the dead girl had pressed charges.
Exactly. My brother called me that he's getting married. And that's why I came back so that I could join him in welcoming you to our house.
Well, he's saying the truth. Very soon because the plan is very much intact.
Exactly.
Thank God.
I was actually going to say that the plan, our plan to get married will still hold. Although the devil came, to scatter everything, but no way.
Never.
Never. I'll follow my heart desires.
Yes. Thank God.
Father, he'll be coming next weekend.
Who, my daughter?
The man that wants to marry me.
Are you for real?
Yes, Father.
I can't wait. I hope it works out this time around.
I hope so.
Oledo, I am so ashamed of you. How could you? To fear again? I cursed that I gave birth to a foolish, idiotic girl like you.
Enough, Evelyn!
Enough of what?
Enough!
Enough of what? Okay, now. Go away! Rubbish.
What else can that So I don't know. So after everything that happened, you didn't see it as a sign or as a bad omen? Eh? I don't know, No. In fact, I curse whosoever that have robbed you of your senses. You want to continue where? Go ahead. Continue with your stupidity.
Will you shut your trap and get out of this place? Go and join your mother. Like mother, like son. Wait! Or Moses and no brain. Can you imagine?
Sister, it's okay. I promise you it's going to be fine this time around. I mean, I don't know why they are just bitter over nothing. It is your happiness. One thing is for sure. I know you and Onyeka deserve each other, and I wish you the best.
Thank you, brother.
My daughter, I am in for anything that gives you happiness and joy. You have my support, my daughter.
Thank you, Father. I love both of you. Thank you for making me believe in this family.
I love you more, my daughter.
We love you.
You like the soup, right?
Very well, Mama. You're the best cook in the whole world, you know?
Thank you. I prepared this specially for both of you.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Back to what we were saying. Now, don't you think next weekend is so soon?
So soon? How? Mama, I wish it is tomorrow. I can't wait to bring in Oledo as my wife.
I know. But I thought you would have taken some time for the dust to settle.
Mama, what dust? The most important thing is no one is pressing charges against me. All I have to do is repair Ifeanyi's motorcycle. Huh?
Onyeka, Mama is right. You really need to take your time.
I should take my time.
Yes.
But you know how long it took me to make this move, and you're still talking about time. What's all that time?
It's okay if you say that. I think we should visit the deceased girl's parents tomorrow in order to pay our condolence to them.
That's a good point, Mama. You really need to. Yeah. Onyeka, what are you looking at?
Mama, how many meat?
4.
4.
2.
But this is 2.
I've not eaten anyone, Onyeka. I've not.
I saw you taking
But that's a lie. I did not eat any meat.
Not with meat.
I didn't eat though. I did not though. I don't know how it disappeared.
Where's what? It didn't work.
What?
The young man I told you about, the accident didn't stop him. He is still going to come to ask my daughter's hand in marriage.
That can never happen.
The date is fixed already, and it's in 3 days' time. What do we do?
And you believe that? It can never happen. Mbanu. About Dikizo Abagaria. Mbanu. Nangwanya basa kwa nangada kwa niya makonyo dalibi. The stubborn fly will always go to the grave with the corpse. There is still much to hear. Go home, for tomorrow holds a lot of surprises and secrets for you.
Thank you, wise woman.
Go home. I'm up with the kids.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, ma.
We're fine now.
Here.
What is it?
Like I said before, the women decided to make generous donation towards empowering you and your household.
Nkiru, I thank you very much, and I thank the women for their generosity. But I can't collect it.
Why?
I'm sorry, my wife.
I should collect it. Thank you.
Please, you must forgive my wife. I was against this initially, but I was wrong. I later realized that I should allow anyone that wants to help me to do so, as long as I didn't ask for it. Thank you so much. Also, thank your fellow woman. May God bless you richly.
You're welcome. And I also want to let you know that the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. You will surely bounce back.
Amen. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
What are you doing here now?
Huh?
What are you doing here?
I think that question belongs to me. I should be asking you, what are you doing here?
Are you mad? Don't you know that this is my kid sister's room?
Hey! Amobi. Again? I saw you selling sister's gold research the other time, after she gave you money. And you're here stealing again.
Yeah? Yeah? And what is your business about it? No, how does that concern you? Ottoman carrot. Get out of my way, let me go out.
You hippopotamus. Listen, you have to return whatever you have stolen from sister. Eh? Return all the jewelries you've kept in your pocket before you leave this room.
And if I don't do it, you block my way, Abi? No, you block me, Abi? Do you have any reserve in the warehouse? No. Do you have any other shade apart from this one I'm seeing? See, if not that you're my brother, I'll go fuck you up now. Fuck right up now.
Come on, walk.
Oh.
Amobi, you are going nowhere until you return whatever you have stolen.
Out of my way, 1.
Drop it!
Out of my way, 2. Out of my way, 3.
I will sting
me joke
if I sting this your muscles.
Oh, you sting me? You will sting me, what man? Talk to me again now.
Look at this criminal. Chief, come back here.
I'll fuck what up now. See.
Will you stop this rubbish? So you have the guts to fight after all my warnings in this house. Are you people mad?
Papa, Shady is the cause of this fight. Hey! Shady is the cause of this fight. This boy in Abam Nanya.
Papa, he's lying, no? He's lying.
It's not you.
You are refusing to return what you stole from sister.
What? Amobi, have you gone back to stealing again?
Hey, Papa. Not just stealing, no. He's still following the bad boys in the village. Stealing, smoking, doing all sorts of things, despite your warnings. He's even an armed robber, I suspect.
You are grounded.
Papa! Take off that grounded from my side. I am no longer a kid. Papa, I am no longer a kid. As you can see, white hairs are coming already on my beards. That means I'm getting close to your age. The way you talk to me now should change. I've also found out that you have changed your first son to become Chidi. Papa, because of that, watch me. Kantawa.
Amobi, come back here. Come back here. I dare you walk out on me.
Papa, you dare me. I double dare you.
Not in my house. I will deal with this boy.
Papa, do you know where he's going to? to go and smoke.
I will deal with him. Apogoma katielo kokake.
But is that any...
Go and continue with what you're doing.
I thought I was just trying to...
Get out of my sight!
I was going out.
I'm not gay, I'm not gay,
Mother, what are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? Were you not the person that said your man to be is coming today?
Yes, I said so.
I don't know where that stupid question is coming from. Listen, go to him, better still, call him on the phone to make sure he is coming today. Because I will not waste my time preparing for him to come if he does not show up today. It's teaching time. 6-9. I'm not game, hey, I'm not game, I'm not game,
Where is your brother? He should know that his uncles are on their way. I met them on my way. And they will soon be here. The boss is not even here. What happened?
Mama, all is not well with Onyeka.
Eh? What do you mean by that?
He's not feeling well. He's sick.
What? Where is he?
He's inside.
Inside? Hey! Mama.
Yes, I'm listening. Talk to me, what is it? Which issue? What?
Oledo, what is it? What is it?
Father, would you just call to tell me that Onyeka is sick?
Don't say.
How can he be? Father, I'll be right back.
Oledo, be very careful. What could that be? What kind of misfortune is this? Who is against my daughter's happiness?
Swears. If no be say that boy na my brother, if no be say na my blood that boy be, I for mend am, I for arrange am.
No be the same thing we don't talk since. Shebi na this matter we don't discuss since. Why you can't be saying now? You can't make the matter look like say we know this serious before. Because say na your brother. You know one reason we will be done they tell you since. Now you don't reach your mind. Bobby, free this guy for us now. Make we deal with him. What we won't do with him.
I still feel you deal with him your own way. That nigga need to be taught a lesson. Make una no go forget saying I still my blood brother now they talk about. Now my only blood brother, if I meant that boy now let me remain, bros. Make una forget. Because anything when I do that boy now, it go raise suspicion. I not be mugo. I not be mugo. But nobody they say make you kill him or something. Yeah? Waiting I the talk be say make you deal with them so that such fuck up no go repeat itself again.
No be the same thing that they talk for here. Abuna won't make heaven fall before we understand this thing why they play here. This small boy don't tell where they chukai for our eye now. How we won't make we tell you this thing matter again so that if you understand them? Leave this boy now, may we deal with him now. Who him be, Kwano? Abi people they call for area, in so himself go for still follow the cuff where you there. Abi don't forget who you are. Nah, beg, no they tell me calm down. How you was the man now? No happy at all.
If I not bring this matter on table, you say you go they do brother blood.
Yes, nah. They carry brother matter, they enter with you they run. No, I see they be. My small boy no can carry you they do matter.
So where is your son now? My son's wife-to-be, Oled, has taken him to the hospital. And the information I got is that he is responding to treatment.
Monyeka, I have a suggestion to make. I think your son should forget about this marriage for now.
Why did you say that?
Isn't it obvious that someone doesn't want this marriage to hold? Your son has been through so many misfortunes lately for you to understand what I mean.
Ajuga, you talk as though you don't know what love is all about. You see that girl Oledo is my son's happiness. I don't think my son will accept to forget about her just like that. I'm
not saying he should forget about her. Happiness and life, which one is more important? I'm at the side of caution. Let him forget about this marriage of a thing until we are sure who is doing this. Maybe it's coming from a woman he has rejected her proposal or he has disappointed.
Oju, are you actually the one saying this? Who in this village does not know that my son is only in love with Oledo, with one girl, and that girl is Oledo? I don't think that anyone in this village has seen my son with any other girl. I, the mother, I have not seen my son with any girl in this village. So, anyway, I understand the point you are trying to make here. I will think about it.
You have to think about it before they kill your son.
Don't say that.
I know what I'm saying.
See, let me tell you. My son's hands are clean. Nothing will happen to him.
I know.
The plans of the evil ones will not work out. My son, so nobody will kill him. They will not succeed.
I know, I understand, but I'm only trying for us to be careful. I
have told you not to mention death. Whatever you say here, remove death.
Oh.
Nobody is going to die. My son will not die. Nothing will happen to him. Nico,
that's what I'm saying.
You will be careful, we will be careful, but nobody will kill my son.
Okay.
My daughter, what happened? How is he?
He's in the hospital now receiving treatment. The doctor said he has acute malaria and typhoid.
Meaning the ceremony is yet cancelled again today?
Mother, you should be more concerned about his health.
I should be more concerned about his health. What is wrong with you? How many times have you embarrassed everybody with this nonsense and useless marriage? Eh? Is it until God jumps down from heaven? That is when you know that this marriage is a huge mistake. Listen, whatever that is happening now is God trying to tell us that this marriage is a farce, is a mistake. shouldn't happen in the first place.
Which God are you talking about?
Do you know him? As if you know his address. Which God are you talking about? Oh, please. No way.
So your conscience is so severed. We should be talking about the young man's health. Not this rubbish. The young man did nothing wrong by asking for my daughter's hand in marriage. And hear me out. I am supporting them all the way.
I am with you on that, Papa.
Oh, follow. On with who? As if you know what they're following. When you talk, go man with the sense. Rubbish.
I think I have to go to the hospital and see him.
Papa, I'll come with you.
You follow? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Papa, he will really appreciate your visit.
I know.
You are not going anywhere, Madoka. You are not going anywhere. What is wrong with you? Are you so dumb that you cannot see the handwriting on the wall? So you don't have brain again with this your small head. Can't you advise your daughter to stop all this madness? Is it when everything has gone wrong, in one sense?
Evelyn!
Evelyn what?
You know my husband?
Oh, get away.
I'm going to repeat. That young man did nothing wrong by asking for my daughter's hand in marriage. Like I said, I'm supporting them all the way.
Supporters Club.
Mama, don't you think that if you or Papa doesn't go to see him at the hospital, people might think you have a hand in it, and I don't...
Am I not Majaka? I can slap you and slap you again. Will you shut that your stupid mouth? Well, what do you know? Because your father has brainwashed you into fearing. You now have mouth to talk. If you talk, I will slap you. Anyway, I don't blame you. I don't blame all of you. I blame myself. I have wasted my whole day when I should have having my beauty sleep. Setting this table, setting these chairs, cleaning everywhere for this ill-fated marriage that will never happen.
Evelyn, watch your tongue. You are not God.
How?
And I want to tell you that tomorrow is pregnant.
God, go away.
Tomorrow is pregnant. Son?
Let it give birth today.
Let's go.
Oledo, I named you after my late mother because of how close I was with her. Little did I know that none of my blood, not even a pint, runs through your vein. You are such a huge disappointment. You are not in any way like me. You don't have sense. Brainless. Have beauty without brains.
My people, I think by now we ought to know that there is someone somewhere that is behind all this nonsense.
Exactly my thoughts. But who?
A good question that is begging for an answer. Madoka does not appear to me as a violent man or in any way diabolical.
You are correct. And also, I do not think he has any issue with Oyenka. Otherwise, he wouldn't have accepted her into his house.
I think we should ask questions. Yes.
You mean consulting Adibia?
If need be. Let me tell you, I am sick and tired of all this happening. Our nephew deserves to be happy like every other young man out there. I mean, he should be allowed to marry the woman of his choice. Yes.
Could it be that something's wrong with Madoka's background?
Which is why I said we should ask questions. Because a goat should not be allowed to deliver in tetas where an elder is. We should do something and do it fast.
You are making a point.
That is true.
You are making a
We should
point.
I want you to know that no matter what happens, I'll never be discouraged towards becoming your wife. I will stick with you forever.
Olam, this means so much to me. Thank you so much for loving me. I was going to ask you, how are your parents? How are they taking it? I'm sure they are very upset with me.
Upset?
Huh?
Nobody is upset with you. Or except probably my mother. But I don't care. All I care about is you, my love. You are my world.
See, God in heaven knows that I have good intentions for you. And I'll never disappoint you.
I know.
Let's go.